Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
See, we had told the court that as far as roads which were opened, they would be made operational and people will be allowed to drive on those roads by that particular deadline. The question is whether by that time the entire work had to be completed. So we showed to the court that this is what the position is. Now today the court has told us now as far as the stretch from Kakulos junction up to the bridge at STP, that stretch, what is the deadline which is for completion of the entire stretch of the work. As also the court wants to know the term and the tenure of all the contracts and what is the deadline given to all the contractors insofar as all smart city work is concerned. So tomorrow it is restricted to the work from Kakulo Circle or Kakulo Junction up to the bridge, that is up to STP. We are supposed to give the deadline and the bar chart as far as this stretch is concerned, which we will give it to the court tomorrow.
इतले मजगती विवांता हॉटेला लागसार फुटपाथीचें काम खुरीस मदीं आयिल्ल्यान लोकांनी आडायलां. हे विशीं हायकोर्टाक कळीत केलां खंय, एजी सांगता. केअरटेकर कमिटी कडेन खुरीस हालोवपा विशीं उलोवप सुरू.
At two places there are obstructions which have been created by the neighbors. At Vivanta area, that junction, there is an obstruction because it is told that there is one cross there and the neighbors are objecting to it. They have some sentimental issue there. We are trying to sort it. Once that is shifted, the footpath in that area will be completed and I am very sure that that issue will be sorted out very soon. There is one more area where there is an objection by some residents of the locality to claim that this property belongs to them, where the footpath and the pavers are to be laid. We don't agree with them. There are issues. In fact, there is an order issued by the Mamledar to remove such obstruction and therefore that issue is pending before the deputy collector now. We are trying to expedite those hearings also so that that work in that portion will be completed as early as possible.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.